Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is nectarines, and we'll be making nectarine salsa and nectarine and swordfish. Joining me in our Morris Black Kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco of St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury.
Hi, how are you?
Good, so let's get started.
First thing I'm going to start out with the actual sauce itself.
And that looks like a little bit of onion?
Yeah, it's actually shallots.
Okay.
I'm going to do a little bit of a, what I call it in French is gastrique, which is sugar and vinegar. A little bit of jalapeno, and we're going to take some nectarine itself.
And you're leaving the skin on these.
Yeah, I'm leaving the skin because I wanted the red to come out.
And it's faster and easier to prepare.
Yeah.
And isn't a lot of the nutrients in
A lot
the
of
skin?
fiber, yeah. You'll get a lot of the fiber from the skin.
Adding a little bit of water in here just to kind of have it so that they'll cook down. So now we're going to work on the adult version salsa. When I do the salsa, you kind of want them sweet already, so just give them a little pinch, and if you kind of put your finger in there and it doesn't bounce back, it's a lot sweeter.
If it leaves a little thumbprint, you're good.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Yeah, we're gonna make a little dice with this.
Okay.
When parents role model, when they're eating healthy foods, their children are much more likely to eat those foods as well. As a pediatrician, I have a lot of parents that say, well, we don't eat fruits and vegetables, and what am I supposed to serve my child? And we talk about that. It's gonna be a lot more successful if you're doing it as a family and if you're doing it as well. So this is a great way for, if you're not into your fruits and vegetables, for parents to start to do it too.
So I have a little bit of Thai chili, give it a little bit of a kick. A little red onion, I like that.
I love red onion. Look how easy you're doing those avocados.
I know,
That's why he's the chef.
That's right.
And if you have like an avocado salsa and you're not introducing a acid, you can actually leave the pit in the avocado salsa as well. Just kind of leave it there, and that'll actually prevent it from oxidizing.
Oh, really?
This is really just kind of like the natural flavors of all of these, and we're just you know playing with letting the ingredients be the ingredients. And so with this, we're going to just simply just season it.
Seasoning it.
The one thing about leaving the skin on is that when it peels off, it's a good indication of when it's nice and medium rare inside.
Okay.
When can kids start eating nectarines? At what age?
So usually around 6 months of age is when we're starting to think about offering something other than breast milk or formula. Certainly if you're doing a 6-month-old, you're going to need to puree that down into almost like an applesauce type of consistency.
Right.
I think offering those fruits and vegetables with every meal to your child, so that becomes the routine.
So we're just cooking up a little bit of red onions, mint, cilantro, and now we're going to do our bananas.
Bananas is another first food. They'll usually take that readily at around 6 months as well.
So we're going to do, I like to use a little maple syrup, a little bit of butter. Then take the bananas.
So we're caramelizing these bananas.
Oh, I see what
That
we're
is
doing
the
here.
best.
Okay.
So this we're going to pop right in here. Okay.
And I think when families are cooking together like this, it's really a commitment to a lifestyle of health. So whenever they can be healthy with eating, we also encourage people to be active.
It's just a lifestyle. It's bringing food and family and exercise all together, and that's what's important.
So these are our bananas, and that was just took 2 seconds and easy as can be.
Great. And I think the difference between the kids salsa and the one for the swordfish is that I like to take the kids a little bit and just take a little yogurt.
Ooh, okay.
Mix it right in there.
Oh,
That's different.
I've never done that before.
And that goes right on the
wow. How
bananas.
Very easy,
Bigger.
easy.
And then we've got our swordfish.
This looks great. Let's dig in.
That is so good.
That's incredible.
I personally
Really
love
good.
both of them, but I'll definitely say this is a recipe that is chef tested and pediatrician approved.